We got a full house today. A bunch of surgeries here, anesthesiology. We got a full mouth reconstruction in this room going on. We got a full mouth reconstruction in here going on with the anesthesiologist. They're watching the game.
Sort of acclimated, yeah. Just to go back and yeah. You guys have kids?
Another room packed.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's Lindsay. Here's everybody. Woo! And we got the room. We're watching the game. And there's Piazza. Hey guys.
Yeah, we can go a 10. We don't have to go all the way. You know, we can go all the way up, hit the sinus. It doesn't mean we have to put that length in.
So as you guys can see, everything is going crazy out here right now. This is Dental Disneyland. We got all rooms going, major surgeries. We're doing probably 100 implants today. Anesthesiology, we got dentures, we got hybrids, we got bridges, we got a full mouth reconstruction, opening bite, vertical, smile design. We're doing temporaries. We're doing all sorts of crazy stuff today. So today I'll keep you guys posted as the day goes forward. Take care.